Hi guys, in front of me is OPPO K12x and let me show you how to use secret codes. First, open your phone dialer, then enroll keypad, and let's start with the codes. The first code that I want to show you, it's a pretty simple one. It's *#06#, and by providing this code you can have your email number right in front of you within a sec. So that's it. So this one is for email. A second code that I want to share with you is *##, 225, ###. And here we've got the calendar info. So all upcoming events that you've got in any calendar that is connected with this device, you've got it in one place right in front of you. So this is all about this code, pretty useful one. And another code that you can use is *##, 426, #*#. And here we've got FCM Diagnostic Panel. In this mode you can check events and status, but if that's not enough for you, you can also explore it a bit more. Just mark more icon and select advanced view. And here we've got way more details about both status and events. And if you want to switch it off, just click on more again and unmark the indicator. So this is it, that's all. And actually these are all the codes that I wanted to share with you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.